Okay, I'm gonna be the first up, and I'm shooting Thompson Center Compass in 6.5 Claymore. When this first came out, I only paid $175 for the rifle, and I have a Boris full field from power 6 to 14, and I'm gonna have it at 14. And I'm using the cheapest hunting round, non-typical by Federal. I pay only $10 per box about 5-6 years ago. So 7 shots in 3 minutes. You have to build it on your own time. First, I want to tell you there's a reason why we're shooting 7 shots. A lot of times in a real competition, things happen that's out of shooter's control. So by having a 1 extra shot, we could really make it fair for everybody. And you will see this on my video. And here I'm gonna show you everything in detail so the shooters understands and we can learn from it. Now, I was up first, and I was the only one shooting 6.5 Claymore, and everybody else was shooting 223. Now, having a bigger ammunition means more recoil, so you will see me adjusting my rifle after every shot. But having 3 minutes, that shouldn't be a problem. But my biggest problem was that I put in a 2 perfect shot, but before my 3rd shot, Chris called out ceasefire. And the reason was because his timer wasn't working. But luckily, Rick told me he has a 2nd timer running, so I should continue to shoot and finish my round. And as you know, when your focus is a little bit off, it's not easy. So on my 3rd shot, I pulled it just a little bit, but I decided to center myself again, and I got back on the horse, and I was able to hit the target where I wanted, and I dropped the mic.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Stand by. Stop. I'm sorry. It stopped.
Huh?
Timer stopped.
Why?
I don't know. Timer stopped. After 2
Keep
times.
going. Well,
Yeah.
Timer stopped. I mean,
he'll finish 7 rounds in 3
Okay,
minutes.
that's true.
Okay. Yeah,
I
go
have a
ahead.
good group right now.
yeah, go ahead.
I don't want to stop.
I'll just start it now. Go ahead.
Ah. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, less than. We don't know the time, but less than.
I started this,
He has the time.
I started this
Okay.
right when he started shooting, and there's 2 minutes left on it. I
Okay.
started a 3-minute timer.
So
So
time's
you
about
didn't
2 minutes.
You didn't burn 2 minutes before you
Okay,
said, "Oh,
good
shit."
deal.
Yeah.
All right. Next, it was Rick Carter. And he's the father of our 2-gun competition instructor, Scott Carter. And Rick's been shooting since he was in high school. So don't let his age fool you. He's 73, but he's very competitive. And he knows his stuff. All right, Rick, we know this rifle. So
Yeah, you've seen it before.
I know this is your self-built, right?
Yep.
So we're shooting what?
223
Okay.
PMC ammo, nothing expensive. And just a 12 power scope on it, Vortex scope.
All right, sounds good. Now show us how you do it.
Okay, I'm gonna send one as a fouling shot into the berm.
Okay.
Okay,
Are you ready?
shooter's ready.
Stand by.
All right, that's the 7. Time
9206.
9206.
Clear.
Gun is safe. Next is Mick Kim. He bought this Savage rifle a couple of years back and he bought it on sale on a killer deal. And he adjusted his trigger down to 1 pound. In my opinion, I think it's a little too light, but he's very good with it. Okay, so Mick is shooting Savage in 2-3 caliber with a Vortex scope.
Are you ready? Stand by. Safety.
아까 지금 구멍이 하나 있길래. Next was Jacob. Now he brought his new CZ600 Alpha rifle, and I did a review on this rifle a few months back, and I gave a very good review because it was very accurate. And back then, they were selling it for only $400. But on this day, before the competition, he was practicing, and his bolt came apart. where you want to eject the empty breath and the bolt will just slide back out. Now I inspected during the practice and it was safe to shoot.
Are you ready? Stand by. Nothing was in there.
볼트가 막
거기 걸어가지고 빼내주는 거 때문이구나.
내가 보기에 이제도 부러지지 않았어. 그냥 안 받아. 그럴 수도 있지. 몇 발 쐈죠? 네 발. 다섯 발. 다섯 발. 두 발 더 쏘면 돼. 두 발 더. 한 발 더.
천천히 하세요. 시간 많아요.
시간 얼마나 남았어요?
네, 아직 많아요.
멀었어.
오, 나이스.
30초 남았어요.
And the last was Chris. Now, Chris hasn't shot this rifle over a year and a half. And even in my cases, if I don't shoot certain rifle for a very long time, they don't shoot like it used to. So you do have to break it in after such a long time. Or sometimes I would actually clean the barrel and re-break in the barrel before I actually restart it in again. And when Chris was practicing, the ammunition that he trusted before was not giving him the grip that he wanted. So he tried a different ammunition which gave a better grip. But the only problem was he only had one box. So he had 20 rounds and he didn't have enough to set in his scope. So he actually had to aim 3 o'clock high to hit where he wanted. So his first shot was really to see where it was hitting, and then he went for his 6-shot group. And he was right at the borderline of getting out of the black target, and if he did, they would have been disqualified. But he did surprisingly well.
Ruger 5.56, AR 5.56,
Okay.
18 inch. It's my first AR. Haven't shot this for like year and a half almost. We'll see what happens.
Okay, let's see. You ready? Stand by.
Yeah.
76.78. All right, let's go down to the targets. It's 100 yards. We all took 7 shots. We're gonna take best 6 shot groups. If the shot is outside the black target, then it's disqualified. I think everybody's qualified, but Chris came pretty close. Okay, I shot first, so we're gonna see mine first. Looking good. Wow, whose target is that? It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at these brick. Yeah.
Wow. So I'm gonna take this one out. Wow, that's pretty crazy tight. Next is Rick. Nice shooting, Rick. I think we're gonna take probably that one out, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably that one out.
Yeah.
Good growth, man. It's a shame. It's just,
Actually, you want to know something? Well, yeah, there's 2, 4, 5. Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna measure in different ways
Yeah.
and see what works best for you.
You beat me.
Sorry, buddy. All right, Mick. 네, 만기시죠? 내가 보면 요걸 빼야겠네. 요걸 빼면 되는 것 같아. Okay, good. Next is Jacob.
You got some competition.
We're gonna take this one out.
David's got some competition.
Oh, that's good group.
This is a pretty good group.
It is pretty nice group.
That's a nice group.
Yeah.
None.
So we're gonna take this one out.
Yeah, but I think you had to be on the target,
right?
right? You had to be in here
No.
on the
No,
target.
the black.
In the black.
In the black. Hey,
Anywhere in the black. All right. He came very close because if the shots touch outside the black, then it's disqualified.
So this one and this one, right?
Yeah, it's all in.
No, I mean the group between this one and that.
Yeah.
Other one, yeah.
That's a good group.
All right, here's the result. So first place is me, and my measurement is 0.570 inches. So that's pretty tight. And the second is Chris, actually. And the time is, the measurement is 0.738 inch. And then third is Rick, 0.846. And the fourth is Jacob with 1.137 inches. And with the fifth place is Mick. The measurement is 1.857. Honestly, I'm very surprised everybody got it under such a small group. Six shot group under 1 inch is very, very difficult. If you have it under 2 inch, that's considered very decent. 3 shot group is much easier than 6 shot group. So I did cover up the 7th shot, so we only counted the 6 shots. All right, you've seen it, and this is my target, and that's a really nice 6 shot cluster. This is my best 6 shot of today. And just to make it interesting, I'm taking this rifle out on my next hunt to show it's not just accurate, but very deadly. So third place is Rick with a measurement of 0.896. And as you can see, it's nice and tight. All right. Hold on to that, sir.
Thank you.
And you get bronze. Thank you so much.
Hey, now I got one of each color.
That's good. And second place, of course, is Chris. And to be honest with you, he was using a different ammunition this time, so his point of impact was changed. So first shot, it was kind of off, but he knew where he was pointing at. So even with not so zeroed in rifle, he got second place. So that's a good shooting. Right there, good group. All right, Chris. Congratulations. That's your target, and here's your medal.
Thank you.
There you go.
So first place is, of course, David Park.
Thank you. Of
Yeah.
course.
We can never win him on any groupings competition.
I'm 100.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys. I will see you guys next month.
Thank you. Bye-bye.